All right, welcome once again to Mathematics Meal, a beautiful program that is designed to help students in the study of mathematics. Today on Mathematics Meal, we are going to look at lunch questions, and we're going to look at lunch question 1. And in this lunch question 1, we obtain the question from theory of logarithm. Now, it is necessary that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. That will be very nice. All right, let's begin and produce a solution to this problem. So we have lunch question 1. We are asked to simplify log square root of 27 divided by log cube root of what? 81. We know that there are laws of logarithm and there are rules also in logarithm. One of the operations we carry out in logarithm is division of what? Of logarithm. And for us to divide two logarithms, definitely the basis must be the same. So you look at this, they don't have basis. So their reference base may be taken as base what? Base 10. All right. And secondly, if we want to divide two logarithms, the numbers in the logarithm must be the same. So if I have log A over log A, it is possible because the numbers are the same. But if I have log A upon log B, it's not possible to divide this until I make sure that this number and this number are what? Are the same. Okay, and that's the underlying principle that we are going to apply in solving this problem. So let's begin. We have log square root of 27 divided by log cube root of 81. All right, we know that 27, square root of 27 can be written as log 27 raised to the power 1 over 2. And cube root of 81 can be written as log 81 raised to the power 1 over 3. That's what we have. Then we can go further. We know that 27 and 81, they have common ancestor, which is 3. So I can write 27 as 3 raised to the power 3. Remember, we have a power of 1 over 2. And then I can write 81 as 3 raised to the power 4. And remember, we have power of 1 over 3 here. Okay? This is what we call power of power in indices. And if we apply that principle, we are going to have log 3 raised to the power 3 over 2 divided by log 3 raised to the power 4 over 3. So we have that. When we evaluate these two powers, we'll have this. Now from the third law of logarithm, a number that is the power of a number is something as the coefficient of that log. So it means that 3 over 2 here can become 3 over 2 log 3 all upon 4 over 3 log 3. You see that? All our interest is to make sure that the numbers in the logarithm are the same so that we can divide. So if you divide this now, you are left with 3 over 2 divided by 4 over 3. That will give me 3 over 2 divided by 4 over 3. That will give me 3 over 2 times 3 over 4. And when I evaluate that, 3 times 3 will give me 9, and 2 times this will give me 8. So 9 over 8, or as a mixed number, 1 whole number 1 all upon 8. All right, that's all for our lunch question 1. I believe that you enjoyed the video. Try to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. Thank you and God bless you.